You're running an online t-shirt store. Every day, you get orders through a Google form. You update an Excel sheet, you manually email customers to confirm their order, and you message your team on Slack. And honestly, it's exhausting. But what if an AI agent could do all this for you in seconds? Sounds cool, right? But what's an AI agent? How does it work? And how can you build one without coding? Let's break it down. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is like a smart virtual assistant that can think, make decisions, and perform actions for you automatically. You can create an AI agent by combining four main components. First is brain, which AI model will think and generate output. This could be OpenAI's GPT, Google Gemini, or Anthropic Claude. Second is system prompt. What instructions will you give the AI? It's like the agent's job description. Example: you're a customer service agent. When a new order comes in, thank the customer by name and confirm their t-shirt size. Third is tools. Which apps and services will carry out the tasks? For example, Google Sheets to store order data, Gmail to send emails, and Slack to notify your team. Fourth is trigger. This tells the agent when to start. In our example, the trigger is when someone fills out the Google form. You can also set triggers based on a schedule, like every 15 minutes, 1 hour, or once a day. Now let's see how this looks in action. I'm showing you the demo AI agent I built for my t-shirt store using Make, a no-code automation tool that connects over 2,000 plus apps and AI services. And good news, you can try their pro plan free for 1 month. I've dropped the link in the description, go check it out. Alright, let's quickly break down how this AI agent is working. First, this is our main trigger dashboard. Whenever someone fills out this Google form, it instantly triggers our AI agent to start working. Next, these are the tools I've connected to my agent. I'm using Google Sheets to store order details, Gmail to send a confirmation email, Slack to notify my team. This is our system prompt. It's like the job description for our AI agent. It tells the AI how to respond when a new order comes in, like thanking the customer and confirming their t-shirt size. And this right here is the brain or mind of our AI agent. For this demo, I'm using Groq's AI model as the brain. You can also use OpenAI, Gemini, or others depending on your needs. So this is the complete breakdown of my AI-powered t-shirt store workflow. And this is just a basic tutorial to help you understand how AI agents work. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping a complete step-by-step video soon where I'll show beginners exactly how to build AI agents from scratch.